Recipe for penne pasta. Ingredients: 8 ounces, 225 grams, penne pasta, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 can, 14 ounces / 400 grams, diced tomatoes, 1/2 cup tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dried basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, optional, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, fresh basil leaves, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: cook the penne pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and chopped onion and saute until the onion becomes translucent and the garlic is fragrant, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, dried basil, dried oregano, salt, black pepper, and red pepper flakes, if using, to the skillet. Stir well to combine, then reduce the heat to low and let the sauce simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Add the cooked penne pasta to the skillet with the sauce. Toss well to coat the pasta evenly with the sauce. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes, stirring occasionally to heat the pasta through. Remove the skillet from the heat and sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese over the pasta. Toss again to combine and allow the cheese to melt slightly. Serve the penne pasta in bowls, garnished with chopped fresh basil leaves. Enjoy your delicious penne pasta. Feel free to customize the recipe by adding cooked chicken, sautéed vegetables, or any other ingredients you like.